This is one of my favorite conferences to come to. I'm a PhD working in a college of medicine in a department of family medicine, and I do a lot of work related to medical education. And so this is like my go-to conference.
Come and check it out. You're going to find other people who think like you, who teach like you. You're going to leave inspired. It's a pretty casual conference, in all honesty. You can sleep late, go to whatever sessions you want to go to, take a walk outside. You'll find other people who are doing the same thing. And so the balance of learning and being inspired, but also like just a little bit of self-care, I think is something we don't do often enough in academic medicine. So it's just a great weekend to come and do it. And it's always at fun places. I've always enjoyed where we've gone every year.